Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Ellia, and Ellia is 2.5 months old. She was 1 month premature, and she is a twin. Hey, I wanted to teach some colicky or gassy massage and to be able to help work through some of that gas in the stomach. And it's set to the tune of Skidamarink dink. So you've got motions where you come down from the belly button down. You've got motions where the long intestine comes up, over, and down. So you've got motions that go up, around, and down, and you have motions that swing across. But you always want to go in a clockwise direction on babies. Are you ready? So starts off going down in the center, starting at the belly button. Skidamarink dink, skidamarink do. I love you. So on that one, you're doing I is the letter I. L for love is an L that's kind of sideways, and U is all the way up, around, and down, and around on the other side. So starting again, skidamarink dink, skidamarink do. I love you. And then for the next one, you're doing circular ones. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh, back to the beginning. Skidamarink dink, skidamarink do. I love you. And so from there, you want to take their legs up and squish them up and see if you get any gas. Ready? Squish them up and see if you get any gas. I didn't get any, so we could go one more time. Skidamarink dink, skidamarink do. I love you. Skidamarink dink, skidamarink do. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarink dink, skidamarink do. Oh gosh, I love you. And a little bit of a bend up. Whoop. We got something to come out one side, just not the other. There we go. Whoop. And that's how you do that infant massage to help with gas. I don't think she has gas right now, otherwise we might have gotten a little toot when I lifted up her legs. I hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.